Nature builds her shelters in so many different ways.
Maybe without even knowing it, she built one just for you.
The caterpillar wraps itself and trusts the dark to hold.
No stage is ever skipped, each one prepares the next unfold. The land waits out the tornado.
It does not build inside the wind.
In the field there is a season, lets the roots grow deep within. What looks like pause is not the end. What looks like silence learns to mend. Conservation, not collapse, that is the way of every shelter nature has. Stillness that looks like being stuck from the outside looking in is a quiet work of mending, where the healing can begin. The body knows before the birth,
It readies and it waits,
long before the delivery,
and the wound must stop its bleeding.
before the mending sets.
Grief is doing sacred work.
It has not failed you yet.
What looks like breaking is release. What looks like slowing carries peace. Conservation, not collapse, that is the way of every shelter nature has. Stillness that looks like being stuck from the outside looking in is the quiet work of mending, where the healing can begin. If you are hidden, you are held.
If you are resting, you are not unwell. If all you do is breathe today, the roots are finding their own way. No flower opens in a storm, no new life comes without a form, and every living thing has known a sheltered place to change alone. Conservation, not collapse, that is the way of every shelter nature has. The stillness that looks like being stuck from the outside looking in is the quiet work of mending. Conservation, not collapse, even now your heart is gathering what it has, and the chrysalis around your grief is not a loss within. It is the quiet work of mending, where the healing can begin. Where the healing can begin. Whatever form it takes, the chrysalis is where grief does its work, and where the mending sets.